green plants, how all living things get their nutrition and why they get the nutrition. For three purposes we already discussed yesterday. All living things need nutrition for the growth purpose, then to repair the damaged body tissues, and third for carrying out the life processes. Means these are the things we discussed in last period. Now we are going to see the two types of nutrition. There are two types of nutrition present in the plants. So we are discussing about the nutrition in plants. That's why in this chapter, in this lesson, we only discuss about the nutrition in plants. So plants use two types of nutrition methods. First is autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition, and second is heterotrophic. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So firstly we will discuss about the autotrophic nutrition mode in plants. So as you all know, plants are capable to prepare their own food. Plants use to prepare their own food by themselves. All green plants, I am talking about all green plants. Means they use some raw materials like carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil. And by using sunlight and in presence of chlorophyll, I will tell you after this what is chlorophyll, but by using carbon dioxide from air, water from soil, and in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, they prepare their own food. That's why this nutrition is called autotrophic nutrition. This is carried out by all green plants. All green plants. Okay. Thereafter, we will discuss it in some detail now. Autotrophic. Auto means cell. Auto means cell. And trophic nutrition means cell nutrition mode. So all green plants are able to prepare their own food from a simple raw material. They use only simple raw material. Simple means water is also available everywhere, you know. And obviously carbon dioxide is also present in the air. These are the simple raw material. Plants get energy, and the energy, plants get energy. Listen, suppose this is a plant, okay? This is a plant, okay? Plant get energy. Plant get energy from sun. Plant get energy from sun. And from air, they take carbon dioxide. CO2 means carbon dioxide. Okay? And from soil, we get water. H2O. H2O means water. From soil, and yes, I am just giving you an example. So, plant get energy from sunlight. Okay, this mode of nutrition where green plants make their food themselves. तो इस टाइप का मोड न्यूट्रिशन का जिसमें ग्रीन प्लांट्स क्या करते हैं, सेल्फ प्रिपेयर करते हैं फूड को. तो इस तरह के न्यूट्रिशन को ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन कहते हैं. और ऐसे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जो खुद अपना खाना खुद बना सकते हैं, ऐसे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म को ऑटोट्रॉप्स कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? ऑटोट्रॉप्स. Autotrophs. Okay, such living organisms, those who prepare their own food, are known as autotrophs. Then after, we will see that all plants, the cells and its जो उनकी पेशी होती है green plants की, the cells of a green plant, especially the green color, as you all know, leaves are have green color, as well as some stems, some of the stems also have green color. That green color part contain numerous green structure, उसमें बहुत सारे green structure होते हैं, उसे कहते हैं chloroplast. That they are called chloroplast. Just chloroplast are green in color. क्योंकि वो green होते हैं, क्योंकि because the green pigment उसके अंदर होती है green pigment. The leaves में क्या होती है? Green pigment, and that green pigment is called chlorophyll. That green pigment is called chlorophyll. Okay, it is a chlorophyll that trap, और ये chlorophyll ही क्या करता है? सोलर एनर्जी को ट्रैप करता है, पकड़ता है. Okay, and it trap the solar sunlight and leaves takes carbon dioxide, और leaves क्या करते हैं? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेते हैं. Let's say carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, from stomata. स्टोमाटा जो प्लांट के लीव्स के डाउनवर्ड साइड में, यानी नीचे से, लीफ के नीचे से ऐसे छोटे छोटे पोर्स होते हैं, उन्हें कहते हैं स्टोमाटा. उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? स्टोमाटा. They are called stomata. This cells from stomata, leaves take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This all is about the autotrophic nutrition. नेक्स्ट पीरियड में मैं आपको इसको डिटेल में बताऊंगा, हाउ autotrophic nutrition carried out in which kind of reaction take place inside the leaves. From that the plants get energy. इस बारे में हम कल नेक्स्ट पीरियड में डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके.